CountryTime is standing up for children across the country whose lemonade stands have been shut down due to red tape. The company has launched a fund to reimburse these kids whose entrepreneurial dreams were dashed by bureaucracy.
Entrepreneurship, good work habits.
Through a fund it's calling Legal Aid, the kids can get up to $300 back if city officials ticketed them or shut them down over permits or licenses. CountryTime tweeted, "Kids across the country are getting busted for operating lemonade stands without a permit." So CountryTime agreed to donate $1 for every retweet, shelling out as much as $500,000. It's open to kids 14 and under, with plans to run through the end of August for the time being. Legal Aid will reimburse young entrepreneurs who were shut down in 2017, as well as those who already paid for a 2018 permit. And it seems this is a bigger problem than you might think.
No, seriously, look it up.
Bringing new meaning to the phrase, lemon laws.